Check out this 2006 Volvo V70. This is the set of wheels you've been looking for, with a reliable engine connected to a smooth shifting 5-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle qualifies for our free Super Guarantee Autos Vehicle Warranty Program. Buy a vehicle and get a free warranty from us only at everycarlisted.com. Premium wheels give a more luxurious look. You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. Enjoy the comfort of dual temperature controls. There's nothing like a sunroof on a nice day. And memory settings are one of many features. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.